Now there's only one answer choice that means harmlessly indirect, and that is E, euphemism. A euphemism literally means a good way of saying something offensive. Now this is a vocabulary class, so I will be showing you a few common vocabulary tricks. For instance, this prefix always means good. That is why we have eulogies. A eulogy are the good words spoken at a funeral for the guest of honor, the dead person. L-O-G-Y coming, of course, from the Greek word logos, which means words. Literally, the good words you speak at a funeral. For example, euphoria is a really good feeling. For example, a euphonium, well, if you know that this root right here, P-H-O-N-I, refers to sound, phonics, a euphonium is a good sounding instrument, which it is. It's not unlike a French horn. And of course, a euphemism, well, this root right here, P-H-E-M-I, refers to language. A euphemism is a good language way of saying something offensive. For instance, let's say you want to use the word, well, I'm not going to say it, but I think you know the one I'm talking about. It starts with F, ends with K, has 4 letters, so you know it's not fire truck, and of course, it does rhyme with duck. Now, if you want to say that, but you can't because you're surrounded by children or the elderly or whatever, you might substitute a euphemism, a good language way of saying something offensive. For instance, futile, which is a one-to-one synonym for that dreaded F-bomb. So now, instead of offending anyone with your vulgar language, you can tell your grandparents, "Footling awesome to see you, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you for that footling delicious meal. That left me so full, I think I may have to take a footling nap." And they'll never understand what you mean, but they'll appreciate the compliment. You could even say it to children. "Get away from me, you little footler. Quit footling about." You could say it at a party. "Don't drink the punch. Bobby has spiked it and it'll get you all footled up." So, remember that the next time you're footling about with vocabulary.